Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the controller and header. This matters because 4-pin RGB and 3-pin ARG use different voltages and signals. Once identified, install the manufacturer app now. It provides the only way to change color profiles reliably. While the PC is powered off, connect the RGB cable to the exact header labeled JRGB or JRainbow, making sure 3V or 5V alignment is correct. This first setup step eliminates miscommunication between hardware and software. You now open the official RGB utility and let it auto-detect components. Detection ensures the app talks to the right controller. Next, create zones, group headers, fans, strips, then choose static color or dynamic effects and adjust hue, brightness, and speed to taste. Once done, use the sync option to push one profile across all devices or assign unique settings per device if you prefer contrast. This middle stage configures how and why colors change, so plan zones for coherent lighting. You finish by saving the profile and enabling persistence so colors load on startup. Many apps offer a Start with Windows toggle or BIOS lighting option. Enable one. Then test colors both at idle and under load. Some LEDs shift hue with temperature, so verify consistency. If things go wrong, recheck header orientation and pin contact, update the controller firmware and drivers, or perform a controller reset. These fixes resolve most problems. If the hardware is faulty, replace the strip or controller.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.